This review is of Sweet Sam's Baking Company Classic Crumb Cake. So worth it. Yeah, it's got a lot of palm oil in it. 530 calories in this tiny little thing. Calories don't actually exist, but that's okay. 24 grams of fat, of which 10 are saturated from all that palm oil, 80 milligrams of cholesterol, 360 milligrams of sodium, 71 grams of carbs, of which 1 is dietary fiber, 35 are sugars, of which 34 are added, and 6 grams of protein. Holy Moses. And here are all of the ingredients, which is a much longer list than you would expect for something so small. Including titanium dioxide. I don't really want to be eating titanium. Hard to chew. This is vegetarian, not vegan. Let's give it a try. All right, here we go. Needs more cinnamon. It's okay. Not amazing. Doesn't really impress me. I'll give it a 6.5. Thanks for watching and I hope you have a great day.